Gavin. Make sure the kids don't get
I got it. Okay, go. Yeah. Wow. Okay, I'll hold it right there. Nice.
Oh, perfect hit.
Nice. Oh, I see a little rocket. One more, Charlie. Wow.
Okay.
Okay, next kid's turn.
Charlie.
Okay.
You need to go low. Go this way. Go with you.
Oh, good swing. Wow. Go, Peter.
Dad, do you want to do this?
Good swing.
Yeah. Nice.
Here we go.
I don't know.
Whoa.
Am I safe here? There we go.
Step. There you go.
All right.
Step, swing again. Step. Oh, hit Pinata.
There we go.
There you go. One more, then go.
Okay, last hit.
There we go. Good stuff, Kevin. Nice control.
Do you remember at Cooper's last birthday party?
I do.
Cooper had he blacked out.
Cooper almost lost it. You had some people in the audience that were outright scared.
Oh, yeah, we all.
All right.
Good stuff, Parker.
Okay, then you can go.
There's Olivia. Oh, yeah. Nice.
One more. All right.
Starting to crack, I think. Sassy.
Go, Sassy! Woo!
Good swings. Oh, wow.
Something happened to my eye. And 4. Good job.
Now AJ.
One.
Nice.
2. Oh, he's got the technique. He's going back and forth at it. There you go. It's good technique.
Just whack it, AJ. Go ahead. Here's Olivia. Good stuff.
One more. You want one more? One more.
Yes.
The little guy hit it once before the big guy does.
Brock. Come on, Brock.
Whoa!
There comes Cooper. Whoa.
Last one.
Whoa.
Got it swinging.
Good job, look, you almost dropped it.
I had to tell him.
That's his.
3 hits.
That's what he's meant to do in life, man.
Yeah, yeah. Pinata wrecker. Yeah. Professional.
Okay, I think everybody went, Meg, except for Jonathan. Yeah, I don't want to. Okay.
Intensity.
It's gonna break the bat.
I said Haley goes.
Good a whack, Charlie. All right.
Charlie, give it a good swing.
Yeah.
Nice.